Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are welding my Rock Solid Motorsports 6-point roll cage, roll bar, whatever you want to call it, in the car. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy the video. So like I said, we are going to weld in the 6-point roll cage, roll bar from Rock Solid Motorsports. I also installed my tubular front bumper support from Rock Solid Motorsports. It definitely helps the supercar bumper feel a little bit better than with the stock bumper support. I also installed my rack and pinion with two new tie rod ends, so all that's brand new. That way I can actually get the car to turn and roll good. This is the first time the car has actually rolled on its, I guess, on the ground in like 8 months, so it's an achievement. And also my motor should be done next week, so I'm definitely going to be filming some more. But I'm about to load it up. I'm going to wash it because it's filthy. Then also, my wife don't know, but we're about to go pick her car up. Her birthday is Wednesday, November 11th. And she always wanted her center mount exhaust valence blended into the bumper. So I got that done for her. She don't know about it yet because the person that worked on her car about a week or two ago actually accidentally bumped the bumper like right here and cracked the paint. So she just thinks that's getting fixed. And actually I called the guy and told him to blend everything in. So she don't know about that until she actually sees this video. And yeah, so we're gonna go pick her car up and go to George's and get my cage welded in. So here goes nothing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so we got her loaded up. It's the first time it's been out of the garage in probably 8-9 months. Definitely filthy. So me and the old lady, looking good as always, is gonna wash it. Then, because I mean there's spider webs and all that stuff, and I mean there's a green tint from where I spray painted the roll cage green. So you get some of that off there. Thank God it's just on the, like, the dust on the car. It's not actually on the car. But well, let's get to washing. Well, we just picked our car up from getting the bumper blended in. That looks way better than just the CME valence stuck on. But you like it? I see she don't know, but in the video I told them what, happy birthday. It looks way better. So now we are gonna go put the cage in my car. I washed it and everything, so we're gonna go do that. So are you ready? Well, on the road. Well, we got the cage in the car and the interior and all that taken out. And George, he's about to start prepping to weld everything in.
Boy, we're gonna get this shit ready.
But should turn out pretty good. It's gonna look wicked. Well, I guess he's gonna get the grind. Alright, so I got George welding. So he already got the plates in. That's what he hammered it down. Got them both welded in. And now we're doing the back half. So we got that welded, semi-welded in, and we took it out, so we're gonna finish welding it, and we're gonna put it back in the car. Definitely gonna look good in the car. Just can't wait to get this thing running. But I guess we're gonna slap this thing back in there. Well, George finally got the cage welded in. Looks good. Did you have fun, George?
Hell yeah. That's how you get it knocked down.
Started at what, like 10?
Yeah, started at 10.
Yeah. Like, what time is it? Like 2? It
You
is.
got the sandwich?
2:45.
2:45.
It took 35 minutes for lunch. So we call it 10 to 2:30.
He got it welded in, so we're gonna load it back on the trailer and gonna head to the house and actually paint the rest of the cage and put the carpet and all that good stuff back in it.
4.5 hours, baby.
Oh yeah. Well, we got the car loaded up. The cage turned out real good. We were going to go home and I'll finish putting the carpet in and all that. I probably won't film all that because it's me cutting the carpet and stuff. Like, cage fits really good. Can't wait to get this thing back going. Alright, so we got the car back home. I'm doing this out in the driveway. It's really dark. It's only 7:30 and it gets dark at like 5 o'clock now. But we got the car back. I took everything out and I went to Lowe's, got some plastic for like $10 and cut it out and just draped it around the car, all the important things. I'm not gonna put any plastic down on the actual, the floor. Carpet's gonna go over it anyway, so I'm just gonna try my best not to spray it everywhere. But if it gets on the floor, it's not gonna be the end of the world. Carpet's gonna go right over it, so nobody will see it. But it's taking us like what, 30 minutes to put all this plastic around, that way it don't get on the car. And she's having a blast. But living the dream, race cars. Alright, so we just got it done spray painting. It turned out really good. I just can't wait to see it in the daylight. Definitely gonna be an eye catcher. I did get green everywhere, obviously, on the actual car. But I'm not too worried about it. It's just like the dust from the green paint. And once I get the carpet and the panels all in, you're not gonna be able to see it at all. That was my main thing. I was just worried about getting green everywhere. But it definitely turned out good. The only problem I see may have been is up here at the top. I don't think I can get all of that, so I believe my old lady, she is going to probably get some touch-up paint for me and touch that up while I go to work to Indiana tomorrow. But I think it turned out really good for about, I don't know, $30 worth of paint. Way cheaper than $400 or $500 to get the cage actually powder coated. I mean, once it gets in here, then it shouldn't get scratched up and all that, hopefully. But we're gonna let this dry overnight, and I guess I will take the plastic off tomorrow. Then I'll videotape how it looks, all this plastic crap off, and see all the spots I actually missed. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Alright, so I let the cage dry overnight and I came out here and took the plastic all of that off. It turned out really good. There's a few spots that looks terrible just from where the plastic was hitting on the top, and when I pulled the plastic off, it pulled some of the paint off because it didn't really dry. But Shannon, she's gonna touch it up for me when I go to work this week. I mean, it looks really good. Just the only spots is right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. in the same spot up there, just from where it was up on the headliner. But other than that, I think it turned out really good. And yes, I know there's a bunch of green dust in here, just overspray. I wasn't really too worried about it because I can wipe it off, or once the carpet goes in there, you're not gonna see any of this. So it really didn't matter to me. But I think it turned out really good. Okay, so I actually put the interior semi back in. This is what it looks like with the carpet and seats back into the car. I had it tarped up. I had to go to work this week and I just got back and it's been raining, so my dumb ass decided to take the whole car apart with the window down. Yeah, no, I wouldn't advise doing that actually. It makes it a little bit more aggravating. But here it is with my seats and the carpet in. I still gotta put the plastic pieces back in. I just threw them in here. But I think it turned out pretty good. I had to cut, you know, the carpet, of course. I messed up a few spots, but it is what it is. It ain't no show car. I think it looks good for, I don't know, around $700-800 for a cage install and everything. And also, look at this beautiful woman. The day she turned 21. She's getting old. But we are about to go to the bookstore, get her some books. She wants to buy a book for her birthday, so that's what we're going to do. So huge shout out to Rock Solid Motorsports for making a good quality cage that fit really well, and also shout out to George Robinson at Custom Muscle. I'll leave a website to Rock Solid Motorsports below, and I'll leave George's Instagram below if you want to give him a follow. Does really good work. But hope you enjoyed the video. I should be getting my motor this week. I'm probably gonna pick it up in a day or two, hopefully. Then I'll probably do a video on that. But make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed the video.